Nigeria has been failing us since a very long time ago. Like, it has been long since nothing has been working in this country. It did not just start. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Queen Toyo. And today I'll be telling you a story. Actually, don't mind me, but then it's going to be more of a story time, kinda. Is my brother cooking by this time? Anyways,
if I get 1 million for every time I said anyways in this video, I'll be swimming in millions.
It's 3 a.m. here and I cannot sleep, so why not just do something with my time, I guess. Anyways, I'm going to be telling you guys the story of my first time boarding a train in Nigeria. Can I call it my post-UTME experience? Anyways, let's run in. Welcome back, guys. So this story, it happened in 2017. Even though the train system in Nigeria has upgraded now, but then even though up until
regardless up until.
Anyways, after high school, secondary school, I applied for University of Unilorin, and obviously we were asked to come and write post-UTME exam. And being somebody that has not left, I don't even go on holidays. It is that my parents are that strict. No, I can't see my parents anyways because it's mostly dependent on my dad. He never allows us to travel. He's that protective, or he was not protective. I think he has actually gotten over that now. Anyways, as I was saying, so we were asked to come and write post-UTME exam. I can't remember the date actually, but I shall know it was in 2017. Probably August. Anyways, so we were asked to come and write the exams, and obviously I was so eager to leave Abeokuta and go to a new state for the first time. And trust me, my mother will not allow me to go alone. It's not possible. How will I be leaving Abeokuta to go to a faraway state? She has not done that one before now. So when I said she has not done that before, being the first child. So she followed me, or she decided that she was going to follow me. That was then. I'm a big girl now. If you laugh, I know some of you will be laughing, but then I'm a big girl now. So the plan was to go with my uncle that I spoke about in my last video, and we booked our train ticket. He booked it for 11 a.m. Obviously, my parents don't do African time. There's nothing like African time in their dictionary. So we got to the train station as early as, was it 9 or 10 a.m.? I can't really remember at this point. So we were sitting till around 11 a.m. We were preparing that by 11 the train will be around, latest 11:20. But trust things not to go right in this country. Anyways, when it was 11, the train did not arrive. 11:30, 12 o'clock, 1.
Are you playing? What type of plane is this? This is playing. Is it
2. We had to ask because we've been sitting since morning, and you can't say the journey is going to start by 11 and it's already 2 p.m. and nothing is coming forth. So we asked the officials. They said there's something happened, this. They were just saying, what they were saying was not even making any sense. So we just sat down. Did they ask us to go and enter train? No. We signed us. We signed ourselves after all. So we had to just wait painstakingly because it was not patiently anymore. And mind you, my post-UTME was the next day. I think 7 a.m. the next day. So it was even too late to get any bus going to Ilorin by that time, because you rarely get Ilorin from Abeokuta in the afternoon.
2,000 years later.
Finally, after waiting for 5 good hours, it's going to be more than 5 hours, let's say probably 6 hours, the train came like crawling like a snail by 4 or 4:30. Gosh, by then I was already exhausted and pissed, and like, what's the essence of this journey anymore? Anyways, we happily entered it because we do not have choice. We were even happy that it came by 4:30. Laura Konsha, as I was saying, go. We entered, we boarded the train, and we left Abeokuta finally, like after 5 minutes that I got there, and I was so happy that, gosh, finally. So being a first experience, I was like amazed that, I will not lie, although the service was very discouraging and everything, but then I was still not like that. I was amazed when I entered the train, but at the same time I was disgusted because I cannot imagine why you would pack humans with animals. I'm sorry to people that really love animals and stuff. I'm not discriminating or anything, but then you can't expect me to sit with goats.
I never expected it.
It's very disgusting. Like, why? Why would you want to do that? Anyways, I do not have choice. Like, different kind of people, dirty. Laura Konsha, we should have left Abeokuta, got to Ibadan. It was sweeting me. I was enjoying. Hey.
English is scam. English is scam. Common enjoying you can't pronounce.
I was enjoying the journey, and it was been a first time experience in a transport system apart from cab, or cars or anything. It was amazing. So finally we got to, I can't remember where we got to. I think it was Oyo. Yes, we got to Oyo by 12 a.m. And if you know the journey between Ilorin and Oyo, last, so it should not take more than an hour 30 minutes. So I was already getting excited that yes, we've gotten to Oyo, we'll soon get to Ilorin, blah blah blah. Even though I've not gotten to Ilorin before, but from the OGs, from people and stuff. So I was anticipating. The anticipation was too much. But the train stopped. Why? I don't know. If I tell you I know the reason why the train, till today I keep asking myself that why did we have to wait for about, I think, almost 2 hours at Oyo, packed in the middle of the night? You don't even think of our safety. You don't even think anything can happen. Anyways, the train just stopped and everybody was inside. People that wanted to get out to buy things and stuff. So I don't know why. How come they're even selling drink and stuff by that time of the night? It's barbarical. Anyways, so people go down. People that wanted to buy boiled eggs, everything, things that would disturb your intestines. Anyways, during the stopover or wait over, that we don't know what reason we were stopping for, I slept because I was exhausted. I'm human after all, and anyways, I stepped off. So finally, we left the stopover points and we continued our journey. The journey of the snails. After what felt like an eternity later.
1 eternity later.
Finally got to the lorry. And I was so happy because come on, I cannot explain. Oh my eyes, so I cannot explain. Oh, okay, I've even explained. So, anyways, like I was just so happy. But then, don't forget I told you my post-UTME was for I think 7 a.m. that morning. I got to London by 3 a.m. past 3 or so. And as God will have it, apart from the fact that it was drizzling, we could not leave the train station. We had to sleep. That was one thing I'll never forget my mom and my uncle for. Under the drizzling rain, or was it? Yeah. We had to sit till around 6 when one of my uncle's friend in unilorin came for us. Mind you, I still had post-UTME exam. Anyways, after sleeping in the train station from around past 3, it's not, that kind of situation said you can't sleep deeply. And I think I was the only one that was sleeping because my mother was praying. So we shall go to the hotel they booked for us finally around past 6 or so. Oh yeah, my exam was 9 a.m. not 7 a.m. We shall go to the hotel around past 6 or so, because the hotel was not far from the train station. And I had to read, or let's say I had to revise. My mother was trying to convince me to at least rest a little more, to sleep, blah blah blah. But I was like, sleep, okay? Not in this time. Oh, okay. Never àsìkò equal. It's not possible. How would I sleep? Anyways, but at the same time, now African mothers, if they tell you not to worry, deep inside of them, they actually want you to worry. So after telling her, no, I'll just have to read, blah blah, she now started encouraging me to revise. Finally, I went for my exams. And after doing what I could do, we went back to the hotel. But on our way outside, if you are a unilorin, that's what we call ourselves, right? I beg, nobody should insult me. Anyways, you would know this signboard of it's not a bye-bye but see you again. So when we got to that point, my mom was prophesying that it is not a bye-bye for me but a see you again, that I will definitely ace my exams. Well, when we got to the hotel, my mommy asked what I wanted to eat. I said I was going to eat porridge and chicken. Egg mommy. I was on my own. No, it was you that asked me, what am I going to eat? I said porridge and chicken. She was not telling me that, so me I can eat chicken when I don't know what my result is going to be like. And I was like, before uncle, Cha should not eat me. I did not say it out, so it was inside my mind, inside the deepest of my soul. So that night I could not sleep because I think the result came out immediately that day. And after seeing the news, I was a little bit shaking and everything. And I started checking. I could not check. Even the chicken self, I could not eat again at the end of the day because I was so worried. Throughout that night, because of the traffic and everything, I could not check my results. It was the next morning inside the bus while we were going back to Abeokuta, because obviously we'll never make the mistake of entering train again or boarding a train again. So it was that morning that I checked. I was even scared to check safe. It was my mom that checked, and after she checked, she just passed me the phone. Rachel, Uba. And I checked. I screamed my lungs out that day. I said, Jesus. I was so elated that the stress my mom went through, my uncle's stress, and even me, Alara, the stress I went through was not in vain. My dear, I screamed. Yeah, you might think I'm local or anything, but then, excuse you. So, after we go back to Abeokuta, I promised myself, nothing will make me enter that old and annoying and disgusting train again. And I kept to my promise. I kept to my word. Anyways, we've come to an end of this session. Finally, right? But then I hope I did not bore you guys with my long gist. So please like, comment and subscribe. Love you guys. See you in my next video.